Good morning, everyone. Another day. Feeling a lot better today. I've been sick the last few days. Stayed home Monday and Tuesday, just resting. Yesterday I went to work. It was rough. Today I feel better. So let's get some stuff today. Let's check out some cars. I know I got a couple alignments scheduled today, so we'll get those dialed in, and then we'll see what else I got. All right, I'm on my way to work. Dewey's GX is ready to go. Toyota vans. This one here is an 86, and that one there is a 89. Alignment on this Raptor. So much girth. Barely fit the rack. Ford Raptor. Back to stock height. And aligned. Very nice. Mixed metals. BMC. Kim, do that again.
This shit's forever.
Dude, that was like only 1 hour.
Okay, that's because we got two.
Fast, brother. BMC. Boom.
That white one? Rooftop that?
The man. All right, Steven from Mixed Metals. I guess he's got another BMC today. Number two. He's doing the prep work right now. He took off the mud flap, and then he's gonna cut that off right there.
Chop, chop.
Yeah, we're just having lunch. Troy's Donuts. Chicken plate. Burger. Another chicken plate. Add an egg. It's legit. We got a 2016 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro come in. We did a BMC from Mixed Metals. I'm about to install some Baja Design squadrons. So what you want to do is remove these 3 screws right there. 1, 2, 3. And on the bottom, and do this one right there. I guess there's 2. One here and one there. And you just pull that forward, and then you got access to the fog light. There are 2 screws right there. 1, 2. Take those out. Fog light comes out. So you're gonna prepare the light, add the side brackets, the little foam pieces, just like it says in the instruction. Get the wire harness ready. You gotta add the little wire harness on the end of it. Make sure you got them on the right way, and then you put them in. All right, so I prepared the light. Now it's time to install it. You just slide those 2 tabs in the hole, in the slots, I mean. Just like that. And then on the back side, the 2 screws you removed, put them back in right there. Now all you had to do is just connect the wires. It's a plug and play. So just plug in the wire harness, and then you can just zip tie it, just like that. Put the fender liner back in. Put the screws back, and this side's done. Passenger side's a little different, mostly on the inside, but we got these three screws you gotta take out. 2 on the bottom. Just remove those and then pull the fender liner out of the way. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. And the cap I was talking about isn't there, but usually there's like a cover right there that blocks the fog light. You usually got to remove that out, but in this 4Runner it's already been removed. So I'm gonna take those 2 screws out and pull the light out. But I didn't show you guys how I did it, but all you need to do is follow the instructions that came with your purchase. But that's what it looks like. Add the little foam pieces. It's ready to go in. All right, so the light's ready to go in. Just want to insert those 2 tabs into the slots, just like that, and then push it in. There it is. And then on the back side, just insert the 2 screws that you removed right there. Okay, both screws are in. I also connected the wire harness. So also zip tied right there. Put the fender liner back and you're good to go. We'll test them out. So 3 screws are back in up there, and 2 on the bottom. Fender liner is back in place, and boom. Boom. Let's try them on. All right, there you go. We have amber fog lights, Baja Design Squadrons with the fog light kit. That's Steve.
Are you rolling?
You haven't seen him on video yet because he's always busy.
Don't catch me falling off this ladder.
Hey, that'll get more views. All right, time to install these Raptor lights. I guess they come in a kit now. So first thing you want to do is remove all the push pins. So what you do is just push it in, and then they pop right out. I already did all of them except for that one, just to show you. All right, then you remove this hole. This whole thing comes out just like that. See, now we have space to work. So there's a couple ways to install these, or mount them, should I say. You could either mount them from the back so they're flush mount, or on the outside, which doesn't look as clean. And all you use are zip ties to hold them in place. So the zip ties it came with, they're pretty puny, so I'm gonna use these instead. That's what it looks like when they're zip tied in place. Now I just gotta cut these off. Okay, 3 Raptor lights are mounted. Now all I gotta do is wire them up. Okay, so I was on the phone, so I couldn't really show you what I did, but I ended up wiring the Raptor lights to this button here. So there it is. Didn't see it because I was on the phone, but Raptor lights are installed. There it is. Baja Design Squadrons and the Raptor lights. All right, just got out of work. On my way home. Wasn't too bad. Had a couple alignments today. Light install. Pretty easy. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.